mommies, and welcome back to my channel. So, I am Mommy Ruth. I am a stay-at-home mom. I used to work full-time as a flight attendant, but since I got married and have my kid, I started staying at home. And I know a lot of you mommies have the same struggle kung paano pagkakasyahin ang budget sa loob ng isang buwan. Lalo na ngayon, grabe ang inflation! Nakakaloka, di ba? Magkano na ang bigas ngayon? Magkano na isang gulay? Grabe, no, isang araw, I'm so shocked yung sayote. 160 pesos na ang isang kilo sa grocery. So, nakakaloka, guys. So, this is the time na tayong mga mommies, tayo ay kailangang maghanap ng extra income. So, I have a lot of tips for you guys kung paano kumita ng extra income online. Walang puhunan! My first tip para kumita online, all you have to do is try to become a virtual assistant. Depende sa skills mo, beginner ka ba or meron ka bang skills from your previous job na pwede mong gamitin, you could make money out of it. Pwede nyo po itong pagkakitaan. You could use Upwork, elance.com, or pwede kayong mag-crowdsourcing sa Facebook nyo po. Anybody's looking for a virtual assistant, something like that, I can offer my services to you. Anything that you could offer, if marunong kayo mag-edit ng videos, marunong kayo mag-edit ng picture, marunong kayo mag-type, you know, makikinig sa mga salita at itatype nyo, tawag po doon ay transcription. So, marami po kayong pwedeng pagkakitaan online. So, all you have to do is just look for these opportunities. And usually, ang pangalan nito ay pagiging isang virtual assistant. Okay? So, my first tip is to be a virtual assistant. My next tip is to teach online. The best way to do this or pinaka-profitable para sa opinion ko lang is magturo ng English sa mga foreigners. So, we are so blessed na nandito tayo sa Pilipinas and we know English by heart. And ang maganda dito, alam mo agad kung ano yung wrong grammar sa hindi, diba? So, it's like second nature for us. Alam natin, we have a good command of the English language and use that to your advantage. So, you don't really have to have an English major or a teaching course to do this. I know a company called ACADSOC. So, you could check them out sa acadsoc.com. What they do is they teach Chinese students how to speak English. So, very basic lang talaga siya. All you have to have is your laptop or your cell phone na may reliable internet, and then you will be paid by the hour. So, I'm going to put their links here on the description box if you want to get to know more about their teaching system and magkano yung sweldo, magkano ba yung pwedeng kitain. Sign up for the Google form na nandito sa description box if you want to apply to them. Ang advantage nun is nasa bahay ka lang, hindi ka na alis ng bahay nyo, you don't have to spend sa pagko-commute mo, nababantayan mo yung mga babies, and you can teach while natutulog yung mga babies or naglalaro sila. So, if you do this, it's very easy. All you have to have is a lot of patience, have a computer setup and an internet connection, and you're good to go. You could get paid by the hour. And yung mga nakikita mo sa araw-araw na pag-tutor mo online, they will build up, dadami sila, and by the end of the month, it's gonna be a significant amount of money na makakadagdag sa budget ninyo. Kung ito naman, kung gusto mo naman ng agad-agarang income, what you can do is, ginawa ko to kahapon, you could sell your old stuff. So, kahapon, nag-purge talaga ako, diniclutter ko yung mga damit at sapatos at makeup at bags na hindi ko na ginagamit. What you can do is, you could sell it online. Post a picture of it on your Facebook page or on your Instagram page. And then, you can even make your own Instagram shop pag marami ka talagang mga kailangan i-let go. And after that, you could earn, syempre masasayakan ka, pero yung inisip ko na lang when I did it yesterday is, yung mga clothes and damit ko na kasya sa akin nung before ako nabuntis, hindi na sila kasya sa akin ngayon. And since I'm a nursing mom, I always think about paano ko mapapadede yung anak ko kung suot ko yan, kung lalabas kami. So, talagang napakadami kong damit na hindi ko na nagagamit for the rule is, for the past year na hindi mo siya ginamit, you have to let it go. So, those are like the tips from the KonMari method, yung mga minimalistic living, things like that. Actually, sa totoo lang, it feels so good to let go. Napakasarap sa feeling ng nalinis ko na yung cabinet ko, nalinis ko na yung shoe cabinet at saka yung makeup area ko. Ang saya-saya, parang hindi ko na sila dala-dalahin. At the same time, kumita pa ako. So, what I did is, pinapunta ko yung mga friends ko and binenta ko sa kanila, nag-garage sale ako sa kanila. And since this video is about online then, what you can do, yung mga hindi nabenta, you can post a picture of it on your Facebook and then you can sell it online. Meron ng marketplace sa Facebook na if you list down yung mga items mo sa marketplace, anybody can search them according to the place or location, di ba, on the price then. So, yung mga bibili ng mga stuff mo, they will pay for the shipment, so you don't have to pay for that anymore. And what you do is, pabayarin mo sila sa bank account mo, and once confirmed yung payment, that's the time that you send them the item. Ginagamit ko Shopee.ph. Isa siyang app na pwede mong i-post yung mga luma mong gamit. Pwede ka rin gumamit ng carousel. Ang maganda sa Shopee lang kasi pag shipping integrated ka, sila mismo pupunta sa bahay para i-pick up yung mga stuff and then i-deliver siya. So, it takes a little bit of learning, pero in a day, you can learn all about this and then you could start earning money na agad-agad. So, my next tip is be a mommy vlogger. So, since you are a mom and nag-stay at home ka with your baby, yung mga topics na you feel strongly about, like maybe perhaps breastfeeding or baby-led weaning or mga injection ng mga bata or yung pag-aalaga sa mga bata, just write your own story. Meron namang mga libreng platforms where you can have your own blog, like for example, WordPress. Sabihin mo doon like mommyroot.wordpress.com, libre lang po siya. All you have to do is write regularly, put some pictures on it, and by doing so, you can earn through AdSense or you can earn through brand deals. Okay? So, this one is if you love to write and meron ka namang, you know, like I said kanina, lahat naman tayo sa Pilipinas magaling sa English. So, kung acceptable naman yung English mo, you don't have to be perfect, grammar and everything. As long as you're giving value sa mga readers mo, it's good enough. And if you do this, yung kita niya nga is hindi naman agad-agad, pero it's something that you do na mas nagpapasaya sa'yo. At the same time, may opportunity ka or may potential ka na kumita ng malaki if you push through with it. No? Consistent ka lang talaga sa pagpapublish ng mga blog posts mo. If hindi ka naman mahilig magsulat or hindi ka naman mahilig sa mga pictures, do what I'm doing. Become a mommy vlogger. So, hindi ka naman, for example, kung makapal naman yung mukha mo, kung makapal ang makeup mo, now, usong-uso na ngayon yung mga vloggers, diba? So, you can vlog about anything na interesting sa'yo. What you need is just a cellphone to start. And then, meron namang libreng editing software sa cellphone. You can edit your videos doon and publish ka lang ng publish sa YouTube. If you do this, you will earn from YouTube AdSense. Also, you could earn from brand deals. Aside from that, ako, ginagawa ko siya personally kasi nado-document ko yung paglaki ng baby ko. So, if you have been watching my channel for some time, nakita nyo na nag-start ako nung buntis pa ako kasi ginawa ko siya talaga kasi gusto ko makita yung tiyan ko nung buntis ako, yung different na na-experience ko. And since tamad akong magsulat, video na lang. Parang nakakausap ko kayo, parang ganon. And also, I can look back at the memories where baby River was still a newborn and now he is like almost a toddler. So, tong mga memories na to for me so precious. And since ako naman yung tao na talagang nagbi-video naman talaga ako kahit na hindi ko siya pinapublish sa YouTube, parang for personal ko lang, ginawa ko na lang din siyang YouTube channel. So, nandun lang sila sa isang place and I could always look back to those days, you know, to those moments of motherhood. So, aside from that, nagiging happy ako, nakaka-earn pa ako sa YouTube AdSense, and then nakaka-earn din ako sa mga brand deals. So, yung skill level na kailangan dito, you could always start from scratch. You don't really have to be an expert editor or an expert videographer to do this. All you have to do is have the passion to do it, and if you follow through, you will get rewarded. Though hindi nga din siya agad-agad, it will take some time for you to get brand deals or to get an income or to get approved sa YouTube. So, eto okay lang to. For example, gusto mo siya hobby / in the future magiging potential income. Parang mommy vlogs lang din. So again, to summarize, yung mga tips ko to earn online na makakakita ka agad-agad, makakatulong agad sa budget mo within this month is to become a virtual assistant. Mag-sign up ka sa mga Upwork or Elance or mag-post ka ng personal ads sa Facebook mo na you can be a virtual assistant to anybody. And then, post mo yung mga skills na kaya mong gawin at pagkakitaan mo siya while nasa bahay ka. The next is to become an online tutor. Check out akadsoc.com. I'm gonna put their links down below. Also, meron silang link dito kung gusto nyong mag-apply. Fill up that link and pwede kayong mag-apply and you can get income right away by teaching English to Chinese students. Also, you could do that sa ibang platforms, pero I recommend akadsoc.com kasi they are a reputable company and talagang proven na nagbabayad sila sa kanilang mga teachers. So, go ahead and check them out. And, the third tip that you could earn agad-agad online is to sell your old stuff through your Facebook page or your Instagram page. Have a online garage sale of your old stuff na hindi mo na nagagamit. Hindi lang siya sa mga clothes, mommies, hindi rin sa mga shoes, pati rin sa mga gadgets, you know, mga items sa bahay na just nagagather ng mga dust at alikabok. Pagkakitaan nyo na yan, guys, let it go and you will feel so much better after. And my last two tips, these are mga potential extra income na pwede mong gawin pero hindi ka agad-agad i-income. It will take some time. You could start a blog about anything under the sun, but since tayo ay mga mommies dito sa channel na to, preferably start to become a mommy vlogger. Talk about the things na yung mga struggles mo sa pagiging isang nanay. Ilagay mo siya online, may mga pictures, kung ano naman, kung mahilig ka magsulat and things like that. And the next naman, the last naman na hindi ka agad i-income agad-agad pero potential na magkaroon ka ng extra income in the future is to become a mommy vlogger like me. And if you do become a mommy vlogger like me, let me know. Comment down below. Sali ka sa Facebook page namin. Meron kaming mommy vloggers PH na group. And yeah, doon kami nag-share ng kung ano-anong mga videos. We talk about different things. Just all you have to do is, you know, use what you have. You don't have to buy expensive gadgets, lights, or whatsoever. Use what you already have. Like maybe you have a cell phone, may camera yan. So, gamitin mo na siya agad. And then, just edit it and upload it on your YouTube channel. Pwede kang kumita sa YouTube AdSense. Ako, ngayon, sa totoo lang, yung mommy vlogger channel ko na to, hindi talaga ako kumita agad-agad kasi kailangan ko pa siyang ipa-approve sa YouTube. Pero that's besides the point. I do it because masaya din ako na ginagawa siya and yung future, nakikita ko yung future ko na pwede akong maging isang ganap na vlogger. Masaya na ako and yun ang pinipeg ko na pangarap ko dito sa channel na to. Subscribe naman kayo sa aking channel para namang unti-unti kong maabot ang aking dream na yan. Pero anyways, if you also want to be a mommy vlogger, you can do it. Kung kaya ko nga, kaya mo din yan. So, yun na ang aking mga tips for you guys. For you mommies, kung paano kumita ng extra income online nowadays. Kailangan natin to kasi we need to fight inflation. Kailangan natin mag-survive. And since we are all beautiful, talented Filipinas, I know that we can do this together. So, go ahead. Supportahan ko kayo sa inyong mga peg. Let me know on the comments kung anong napili nyo. And kung meron ba kayong mga ibang suggestions, I would love to hear from you. So, once again, thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe on this channel for good vibes. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye! My buhok ko.